Our business is about bringing talented people together with respected companies. We work with small to medium enterprises right through to global corporates all over the world. At Oliver James, relationships are what drive our business. Having the right people is key to the success of any organisation, and we partner with our clients to ensure they grow and develop in the best way possible. Likewise, we build lifelong relationships with the people we place into them, working to build their careers from entry-level through to C-level positions. Our customers expect in-depth market knowledge and exceptional levels of service and delivery consistently. Salesforce allows us to do this with an even greater degree of effectiveness. It's a major competitive advantage. Our investment in Salesforce is a sign of our commitment to building on the speed and quality of service our clients have come to expect.
Operating across all global territories, it was vital that our next CRM platform was able to provide a consistent user experience wherever our clients, candidates and recruiters work from. Salesforce gives us this. Salesforce gives us the ability to integrate emerging technologies at pace, ensuring that our people have access to the very best platform available. The Salesforce community opens up the ability to collaborate with leading businesses to deliver a strong roadmap of change into our recruitment process. What this means is that our recruiters, client relations teams and managers have access to the tools they need to deliver business growth across our territories. Salesforce underpins Oliver James's business growth ambition by allowing us to approach new ways of working and continuous process improvement with ease. This gives our teams a cutting-edge advantage in an incredibly competitive market. Technology will never replace the personal touch, but it can certainly add to the service we provide our customers.
Salesforce builds on our ability to offer class-leading sales operations geared towards providing an outstanding experience. Creating deep relationships is core to our DNA, building and nurturing them with our clients and candidates at every stage of their journey with us. Salesforce supports this by simplifying our ability to utilize and streamline millions of profiles and data points across the world. This allows our consultants to support the needs of our clients with detailed insight, at pace and when it counts. The ability to call upon an international network of candidates is valued by our clients. And with Salesforce putting it at their fingertips, we provide them with a truly class-leading service. Building strong, long-term relationships with our customers is what we do here at Oliver James, working with them to build their businesses and careers. Thanks to Salesforce, the opportunities for how we do it even better are limitless.